Pop in. Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're going to be installing a custom hitch on the Volkswagen. Probably wondering why am I building one? I could just go buy one. You could. So, Eco Hitch does have a pretty nice one, but after tax it's like $420. I figured I could just build one. It's probably going to cost about maybe $75. It will take some time though. Also, the Eco Hitch, the reason I do not like it a little bit is because, let's see, in that one, this receiver hitch hangs down a little lower than I'd like. I'd like to make it flush with the bumper itself. And another reason, I do have this sweet toy I just bought. Let me show it to you. So I got this plasma table, still fairly new to it, so I think this would be a perfect time to use it. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, another reason I'm building it is because I can. Why not? So for the material, it's pretty simple. We got 2x2 angle iron, 1/4 inch. We got 2x2 square tubing, 3/16, and then this receiver that I bought from Amazon. And also, we're going to be using 3/16 inch plate. So we need to cut this part off right here, make it squared. I'm running into another problem. There's a gap right there. So what I'll end up doing, I'll get a burr and I'll take off some of the corners. These corners are rounded on the body. So I'll get a burr and I'll burr that out. So this way the angle iron sits flush with this bottom piece right there. There we go, much better fitment. Basically flat up against it. Perfect. So I'll be using these holes right here. Alright, so for the mounting bracket, I used the original CAD, the cardboard aided design. I made a template of it, took a picture, imported it into Fusion 360, and then I scaled the cardboard to size. I traced over the cardboard to get the rough shape, and then sent it over to the CNC. Alright, so I got these plates cut up. A little bit of slag I gotta take off. Still trying to get the machine dialed. So I made these L shapes a little bit bigger than the angle iron, just in case I need to move the bracket around a little bit. But we'll get them welded up. All right, let's get to grind it. All right, so we got the plate mounted. Angle iron is bolted down. We're gonna hit it with some tacks, and then we'll start building this cross member right here. So I got the cross member all cut up. This is how I'm gonna weld it together. I ran out of wire. Gotta find the center of this. And 7/8. I do some math on here. I gotta figure out how low this gotta go before we put this thing on. You guys think that's a little low? Yeah, I think so too. I'm gonna be tack welding this little nub up here. Alright, so I got the receiver port all mocked up. I did raise this. I made it 2 degrees pointing upwards. So when the car squats down a little bit, it should be level. This is what it looks like so far. Be throwing some gussets, probably this way, and we'll actually see how it goes. Then I'll have to add some mounts on here, where we'll mount a safety chain. Alright, so I drew up a gusset that I'll be using. I put it in a CAD, and this is what we got out of the CNC. It's pretty cool what you can do with just from a drawing of a cardboard into metal. I can't even imagine trying to do all this by hand. Let's get this gusset bent up. Alright, so we got the bracket all bent up. So it's gonna be located just like that right there. All right, so we got it fully tacked in. This is the outcome. Let's get to burning it in. All right, guys, so we got this thing fully welded. This thing is pretty big. I'm surprised. Should be pretty beefy. So it's gonna have 5 mounting bolts on each side. There's 10 in total. Yeah, I think it's turning out great. Just got to get some primer and some paint on there and then throw it on. As you guys can see, we got the hitch installed. I towed this trailer for about 10 miles. Felt kind of sketch, but the only reason is because got a little bit of slop. So to fix that, I'm gonna drill a hole, weld on a nut, and then we're gonna screw a bolt in there to make sure that that does not happen. So as you can see, the trailer's attached. And let's see what we have on the trailer. So I picked up a new project. This is my 2020 Vantage Primo Chinese mini truck. The plan is to turn this into a full-blown rock crawler, 1 tons, 42s, mid-engine. So stay tuned.